Emma decided to learn the art of making sushi. She had always loved eating sushi and was fascinated by how beautifully it was prepared. Starting the journey, Emma began by watching online tutorials and reading books about sushi making. She learned about the different types of sushi, such as nigiri, maki, and sashimi, and the importance of using fresh ingredients. Gathering supplies. She then bought the necessary supplies, including a bamboo rolling mat, sushi rice, rice vinegar, nori, seaweed sheets, and various fillings like salmon, avocado, and cucumber. Emma was excited to start making her first sushi roll. The first attempt. Emma's first attempt at making sushi was challenging. Getting the rice to the right consistency was harder than she thought, and her rolls were a bit messy. Despite this, she found the process fun and the results tasty. She shared her first sushi creations with her family, who were impressed by her efforts. Improving skills. Determined to improve, Emma practiced making sushi every weekend. She experimented with different fillings and techniques. Over time, her sushi rolls became more uniform and aesthetically pleasing. Emma also learned how to make sushi rice perfectly every time. Sharing the love of sushi. After several months of practice, Emma felt confident enough to host a sushi making party for her friends. They were all amazed by her skills and enjoyed making their own sushi rolls. Emma was proud to share her new passion with others and happy to see her friends enjoying sushi as much as she did. Learning the art of sushi making brought Emma a lot of joy and a new hobby that she could share with her loved ones.
What inspired Emma to learn how to make sushi? What were some of the challenges Emma faced in her first attempt at making sushi? How did Emma share her new skills with others?